Welcome to the channel. This video is about how to set up self-password resets and custom company branding. I'll leave some silent slides at the end of the video about what licensing, etc. is needed for you to read. Don't forget to check out my Udemy exam questions and 30 days of lunches PDFs if you are planning to take any Microsoft exams. I'll leave the links in the description for you to check out. Let's log into Entra and create the group our users are going to be logging into. Let's click Groups on the left. New Group. We want to pick Security Group as group type. Give the group a name. Give the group a description. We want to add members to this group manually. It's always a good idea to assign owners to any groups that you create. Now let's add some users. Let's take a look at the group we've just created. Now let's set up self-password reset. On the left, go to Users and User Settings, and then Password Reset. Let's pick the group we just created. Now we can pick what methods are required to reset. You can pick predefined questions or create custom questions. Let's have a look at the different types of questions you can set. You might want to let admins know when a user has reset their password. You can also create a custom link. You can also check the audit logs, usage and insights. Let's log in as a user. Now the user has to set up self-password reset with the details we set earlier. Now let's pick some answers to the questions. Click Forgot Password and let's reset the password using the details we just set. Let's take a look at the user audits for the password we just changed. Now let's take a quick look at usage and insights. Let's log into Entra, user experiences and company branding on the left. For this demo, we are going to do default sign-in, but you can do much more than that. Let's pick what branding we want. You can pick different layouts, but we'll leave this as the default for this demo. Again, for the footer, we'll leave this blank. You can also give hints for self-password resets. Make sure to size your images correctly. Once you have reviewed the changes and are happy, click Create. Now let's take a look at the branding we just set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos and playlists. It would be great if you also subscribed.